This is Andrew Stotts of A Stotts Investment Research to talk about Philippines, which, based upon my 4 elements, FVMR, is the most attractive market in Asia. Remember that I look at 4 different components. Let's start with GDP. GDP is in the upper left-hand corner of this, and let's blow it up and look at it. The first thing we can see is that GDP growth at 6.37% is a fast growth economy in Asia. We can see that it's driven by strong private consumption as well as investment. The big drag has been the negative impact from net exports. If we continue on and look at the overall market, what we can see is that the market has been outperforming for a while. The ROE is very good relative to other countries in Asia, though not the best. It's high PE and dividend and low dividend yield makes it look expensive. So it's not that cheap, but fundamentals and other factors are good, which we can see here. In the bottom left 4 elements component, we can see that overall the ranking is very, very strong. But again, as we know, it's very hard to get great fundamentals, right? So here we have good fundamentals, above average, at a cheap price. Well, you can't get it. See, valuation's expensive in Philippines, but if we combine both the price and earnings momentum with the low amount of gearing and low beta, you can see on an overall basis, the market looks attractive. If we continue on and look at the sector performance, what we can see is that the top 3 largest sectors, financials, 24% of the market, industrials, 24%, now you've almost got 50% of the market, and then real estate for another 17%. We can see in this chart, too, that the number 1 sector, financials, is up 33% over the last 3 months, so pretty significant. The best sector and stock, as I said, is financials. Double Dragon Corporation is up 52%. The worst sector in stock, energy, which is only down slightly, but really about zero. And Samirara Mining is up 7%. So that's the worst stock, and it's up. In other words, all the stocks are up in Philippines. Want more? Well, you can get access to additional research and articles by signing up for our free membership and newsletter. Just go to becomeabetterinvestor, BABI now.com/join. See you there.